Hi ladies! Okay, so I'm still suffering really badly from morning sickness, but Channel Mum have asked me this week to do a cooking with kids type of video, and we absolutely love doing pizza because one, it's really quick and easy, and two, the kids love it and then they actually enjoy eating what they've made. Hi boys! Okay, so we've got our pizza bases, so we're going to put some ingredients on. We've got cheese, we've got, oh, pepperoni, and we've got pineapple. Now we've got two different types of cheeses. One is mozzarella, which I think is the one nearest Charlie. And then we have regular cheese next to Harry's one. Oh, look at it. Good job, boys.
Wait, stop hogging all the pepperoni.
You're going to have to be quick, Harry, otherwise Charlie's going to hog all the pepperoni. Good boys. Is it all gone? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Let's put some pineapple.
Charlie, would you like some pineapple on yours? Oh, you are going to put some pineapple. Good job. Just one piece? Just one, just one piece? Get another bit. 3 pieces. Oh.
Yum, 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 yum.
So it's so quick and easy. The kids love it. Oh, they're eating the ingredients as well. You guys did that at the same time. Can't wait. So hungry. Right, let's have a close-up of Charlie's. Very good. Close-up of Harry's. Very good. Right, I think we're about ready to put them in the oven.
Yay! Yeah! And let's eat some pineapple.
Oh, Daddy's looks good as well, doesn't it, Harry? Look at that. Look how many olives are on there. Right then, are we ready for the pizza? Wow, look at it. Doesn't it look good?
Yeah. Where's all the pepperoni gone in mine?
It's covered in cheese.
Oh.
So we obviously used pineapple, mozzarella, cheddar cheese and pepperoni, but you guys can choose whatever you want, like ham and olives and things like that. So I do hope you enjoyed this super easy tutorial, especially when I'm not feeling very well as well. I don't really fancy cooking much, so things like this is really easy to do. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to me for free, go to Channel Mum, subscribe to them, and also follow the other recipes that are on their website, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye ladies!